I'm sure you're tired of losing with your own trading, and that's why I'm here today to help you get on the right track with your trading. I'm going to show you how I trade SPY options, the same setups I take with my own money. You don't need a finance degree, and you don't need a big account to start. No borrowed strategies, no recycled secret systems, just the actual process I use. And I'll show you real recorded trades, the wins and the losses with the broker fills so you can see exactly what happened. Now let me show you how SPY options actually work and how I use them. What SPY is, the ETF that tracks the S&P 500. Why I trade options on it? It's broad market exposure and high liquidity. The risk? Options can become worthless. That's the risk. You can handle it with timing and discipline, and I teach that. And of course, SPY daily options are relatively inexpensive, as you will see from my real trades coming up shortly. For example, 93 cents. It's actually $93 because you're controlling 100 underlying shares. Same goes for IWM daily options that are even more affordable, for example, 75 cents. Oh, let's not forget QQQ daily options that can be traded too, just like the SPYs and the IWMs. All three daily options are quick trades. You are in and out in a matter of minutes. You'll see that shortly. That should excite you if you're looking for action, and all day traders want action. It's hard to get that when you're trading stocks. And the best part, a couple $1,000s is all you need in your account to get started. Let's suppose you have $5,000 in your account. That's enough to get going. So let's have a look at my recent trades. These are actual copies. You can see the background details for each trade. No gimmicks here, no falsehoods. This is all real stuff. Here we have $9,212 in 14 minutes. That's on SPY. US $2,300 in 5 minutes. Again, that's on SPY. Moving along with SPY, US $2,000 in 5 minutes. US $1,050 in 2 minutes. Again on SPY. You can see the timestamps over to the right. US $1,250 in 83 minutes. Took a little bit longer, but that's fine. US $2,400 in 4 minutes. That's on the SPY options. Here we go with the IWM options. I made $900 US in 6 minutes. Here we have SPY options again. I made $8,460 in 1.53 hours. Took a while there. That day, I also lost $2,730, but my net was quite significant, as you can see. $8,460 versus a loss of $2,730. Another one here, this time IWM options, US $1,470 in 11 minutes. Here we have a number of trades. A couple trades on IWM options, making $2,130 US in 16 minutes. You can see the timestamp over to the right. This one, IWM, again, IWM options, timestamp over to the right, $510 US in 19 minutes. IWM options here mixed in with a trade on Hood. Here we have US $960 in 4 minutes on IWM. Now, as I've shown you my trading results, which are verifiable, you can actually study each screenshot to see the timestamp on the back to make sure that what I'm saying is true. It is true. But I want to encourage you to subscribe, because coming up in the very near future, I'm going to show you exact trades, like how I got a SPY trade done or an IWM trade, what I did, what I saw, how I traded it. You'll see obviously the net result, the amount of money I made, but I want you to see the logic I follow on each trade, because you can follow along. The thing to be said about trading SPYs and IWMs is, if you want action, you're going to get it with SPYs and IWMs, because you have to get in and out quickly. I don't like to hang around. In other words, when I get into a SPY trade or an IWM trade, I want to get my money and get out within 4 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe a little bit longer, but I don't like to hang into the market too long, because the market makers can see what we're doing, and we're basically trading against the market makers. And that's something I'm going to talk about too, is how you beat the market makers, how you win in this business by following along with what the market makers are doing, and how they do what they do. So I encourage you to come back, to subscribe and come back to this channel, because I'm going to show you the mechanics. I'm going to show you exactly how I trade SPY options and IWM trade. I don't trade QQQs just because I prefer SPY options, and that's where I'm basically spending most of my time. That's where you can make a lot of money very quickly. And as a day trader, I'm sure that's what you like and that's what you want. So thanks for tuning in, friend. I hope to see you next time. God bless, and bye for now.